Hi everyone! Today, I will show you how to change the font in Shopify. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. You can grab the link to this tool in the description below if you want to follow along. So with that, let's get started. On your Shopify dashboard, look at the left sidebar menu and click on Online Store. This will automatically open up your themes page. Find your active theme at the top and click the Edit Theme button. This will open up the live website editor. Look at the top left menu and click on the gear icon. From the Settings menu, click on the Typography tab. Here, you will see font options for your headings and your body text. To change a font, click directly on the drop-down box that shows the current font name next to any of these options. You can scroll through the library of fonts or type a specific font name into the search bar at the top. Click on the new font you want to use and check the preview on your screen to see how it looks. Once you find the perfect font and style, click the Done button at the bottom of the font menu. Finally, look at the top right corner of your screen and click Save. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change the font in Shopify. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides. Don't forget to add to cart your next big idea. Until next time.